I'm Sam.
Hey, Sam, good. Ted.
Ted?
Yep.
Nice to meet you. Hey, Mr. Cameraman.
Yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, we should be close to about, I think we're about 75 now with, yeah, we got that raven coming in here and like the few we've picked up since we
Virginia rail that we
got in here.
Close to.
Yeah, Virginia rail, Sora, blue-winged teal, American bittern. The one it called on that side, and then this one flew straight over top of us.
Listen.
Well, that other spot got logged.
No.
Yeah, where the nighthawks were flying around.
Yeah.
Yeah, it got logged.
Oh man, that sucks.
But there are woodcocks in the same area.
Yeah. Okay.
It's probably a little too late for woodcocks tonight.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we're gonna, celebrate a. I gotta do the tally here, but we probably have close to 80, if not more now.
It's not a bad 4 hours.
It's not a bad 4 hour. I mean, we cleaned up.
Yeah, what time is it now? 9:48. We started at 6 o'clock, so less than 4 hours, probably close to 80 species.
That's pretty good.
I want to see the tour.
So this is the Hegwood cabin. Here's the bear. There's a bedroom.
Yeah.
Kitchen's over there. Yep.
Cheers.
Sam chose his beer.
Anytime you can take a tour of an entire building without moving your feet, I think it's the Ted Lind effect. It's it's what you bring to the.
I do make everything that we do as a team inherently better.
Yeah.
That's pretty clear.
Let's see here.
I mean,
So what do we got, Trev?
82 birds after 4 hours of birding on the first day.
Yeah, we still got a couple more night species we'll try for here. Great horned owl, maybe try for a woodcock, so we might pick up a few more tonight still.
Yep.
That's not. What's funny about this mug is it says bummer of a birthmark, Hale, but if you were a deer and you had a target on your chest, it wouldn't be that bad. I mean, you're normally walking on all fours and no one would ever see it, so.
That's true. Fair enough. Yeah, it's very nice. Oh, now they spotted us. But we are in the Kirtland's warbler habitat. I'm not sure if you can hear that. But there's probably 7 or 8 Kirtland's warblers singing around us, but we are having a hard time seeing one. What do you think?
I don't think it wants to be.
Does it want to be seen?
I hear it.
They never shut up.
I found a Harry.
Did you really?
Yeah, down here in the corner.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Did you
no.
tell anybody?
Yeah, I told Ted.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. I saw a yellowthroat down there too, but I know you got one at the
Yep, we
point
got
yesterday.
Yep. We did everything we could to find a stupid rock pigeon. I mean, we spent like half an hour looking for a rock pigeon and didn't find one. And I tell you what, there's going to be one on a light post going over the bridge on my way home.
Yeah.
At this point, Lisa just wants to get it over with, I think, right? Yeah, right?
Let's be done.
Oh, come on. This is the most fun development you've had in a long time.
It is. It's
Yeah.
fun.
We started last night. I am exhausted.
It's right up there in that tree.
I am super exhausted. There are many red-winged blackbirds. Every habitat we went to today, red-winged blackbirds are sort of the order of the day, that's for sure. Quick! Quick! Yeah. Are there any birds under there? We got 1 minute left!
A big worm. A worm.
Oh,
There's a worm.
yeah.
Leave the worm out as bait.
My gosh,
We're gonna bait the birds.
This is a big worm. Something got it.
We did not find a few things, but we did pretty good. We didn't make any stupid decisions. Actually, we did really good for the birds that we should have gotten, I would say, Trevor.
Oh yeah.
We did not leave a whole lot on the table. I mean, we didn't get a rock pigeon, but we weren't in any cities all day until just now, and it's super windy in town, so that's not a
We also got
surprise.
a lot of the common species. We got the nuthatches.
We didn't miss any of the common species that you'd get at like backyard bird feeders and that. We got lots and lots of the warblers. I mean, we did pretty well. I think our number is going to be right just shy of 140, and it would have been over that easily and gotten to our record if the water wasn't so high, because we didn't get any shorebirds this year, really hardly. I mean, just a couple. We left about 20 species of shorebird on the table because we didn't go to a habitat for that, because there just isn't one right now. And the grasslands were lame this year from what everybody had told us, so we didn't even go to Wurtsmith Air Force Base to go to the grasslands out there, because I guess a lot of it had been mowed and stuff. So unfortunately, there was a couple habitats that we were not able to investigate. What do you think?
I think I learned a lot about birds today.
Yeah. And what do you think about the now we have to go and write all the letters to send to people to actually get the money that we raised.
Okay, just curious.
Yeah.